By the end of this video, you will be able to create a lower third animation similar to this one with the open source video editor Kdenlive. Let's get started. First, you need to create an image you are going to animate. I usually use title clips for that. Let's open new title clip. Let's fit this screen and create the image. I will create small rectangle here, then larger background rectangle, which will be placed here, and white rectangle, and the text. You can adjust these rectangles according to your text. Everything is fine here except the small rectangle is at the very back. We need to bring it to the front. You can use these layers tools. Now it is in the front. I think it looks fine. Let's save it and name it as our main image. Next, we just need to split this image into different layers. For that, I will make several duplicate copies and rename them. This will be small rectangle, this will be text, this will be white background, and this will be yellow background. Now just delete all the unnecessary layers for each of these clips. This is small rectangle, so I will delete all these layers. This is text, so I will delete all rectangles and keep on the text. Here I keep on the white background. And here I keep on the yellow background. Okay. Everything is fine. Let's load all these layers to our timeline. First we will load yellow, then we have white, next we have text, and in the end we will have small rectangle at the very top. And let's make it also shorter. I think 3 seconds is fine. Okay, it's done. Now we just need to add animation. I will first animate this small rectangle. I will use rotation effect here. So you go to effects and search for rotate. Rotate keyframeable. This is what I'm going to use. And I will put 4 keyframes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one will be at around 11 seconds. And the second will be also 11 seconds, but from the back. So it will be 2:13. And now we need to play with rotation. This rectangle should start out of this frame and move here to the side. I have tested and 300 degrees works the best in this case. So I will place it 300 here and minus 300 here. So let me show you how it works, frame by frame. You see it appears down here and gets attached to the side. And the same happens in the end, but in the opposite direction. So the small rectangle is animated. Now we just need to make slide effect for these 3 layers. Go to transitions and search for slide. Here it is. Let me show how it works for text. You see text appears with a slide effect, so we can duplicate this effect for the other layers. And we need to do the same at the end of the video clip, but with opposite direction, so it will move from the center to the left. And place the same effect on the other layers. So we also need to add a transparent layer here, because this effect will not work. Let me show you. You see, yellow doesn't move. To move it, you need to have another layer. And we will just add a transparent layer. This will be alpha. This is alpha channel, which is transparent. And I place it at the very end. Let's see. our animation works. If you're curious, you can check how it works frame by frame. Everything is good. There are 2 points which are still missing here. We need to add sound effect. I have already preloaded sound effect here. This audio file is called Astrodroid, but you can search for similar files here. This is a free audio library. You can download any file from here and use it anywhere. I have downloaded this particular audio file. Let's load it at the end of this animation and at the beginning of this animation. Now, let's play it. Okay, it looks much better with the sound effect. And there is last point which is not very obvious if you are not experienced with Kdenlive. You need to tell Kdenlive that this background layer is transparent. For that you need to search for alpha top effect. Here it is, and place it to the very background layer. This is a transparent layer. Okay, so this video clip is created. Now you can just load this Kdenlive project to any other project and you will have this animation. Let me show you. I will start a new instance of Kdenlive and load some background video, and this is the project we have just created. So here is the background video, and here is our animation. As you can see, it is loaded as one video clip. Let's play it. Okay, it's very good. Now you will be able to create your own lower third animation for your YouTube video or any other video. If you like this video, please support me on my Patreon page, and you will get access to more videos similar to this one. Thank you for watching.